Hey guys, what's going on? Hope you're staying healthy there. I just wanted to give you some kind of help on your project here. If you're struggling to kind of find the things that you would need, I found that I didn't have as many kind of wood sticks as I thought I did in my classroom for people to be able to pick up, but I wanted to give you some ideas that might be helpful. So if you wanted, I think actually the best thing to use for your axle right here to go across is if you were to go ahead and maybe non-sharpened pencils, and if you wanted to more or less kind of duct tape those together, in my opinion, that would be a great way to make a nice axle, right? Try to use a duct tape or a stronger tape if you have one, possibly packaging tape. That's going to be best to kind of keep those. As far as what you could use like water bottle tops for or milk jug tops for, if you wanted to put those on top of your box for your followers to go through. There's not very many followers in this picture, but hopefully you can see my mouse going here. So something coming up and down, right? Your follower, you might want to, and you could even use pencils and kind of cut those if you wanted. If you had like something to cut a pencil with, just be very careful. I have your parents do it with a knife, or if you're a little more handy at home and your dad or mom has like a small little saw, you could kind of saw through it. Or you could even use straws. So another thing that you could use for the followers, and would be pretty simple, would be a straw, right? And if you wanted to make that straw stronger, you could find maybe another straw to insert in there, right? If you've ever inserted one straw into another, and if you don't know how to do that, look up on YouTube how to do that to kind of get that going. Or you could even use empty pens, like the inside of the core of a pen, if you wanted to use that instead as the follower. So I'm just throwing ideas out there. I know that I linked those two websites in a video also on how to create one, so hopefully that was helpful, but just some other ideas here on how to create what you need. If you are backed up in other classes with work, which some of you might be, don't feel that you need to rush this. We do have spring break coming up, so if you wanted to take a little time over spring break and kind of finishing it up, that's fine, but I'd like to see at least turn in something by Friday that you've created. And that's pretty much it. I just wanted to give you guys an update, and hopefully you're all staying healthy, and I look forward to seeing some of these projects. Hopefully you're having a little bit of fun with it. And if you need anything from me, please do email, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks.